Important 7 marks question of definite integral. Okay, question number 1, 0 to pi x sin x upon 1 plus cos square x dx. Okay, put it as I is equals to 0 to pi x sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx. We have one formula in definite integral 0 to a f of x dx is equals to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. This is our question and we have to apply this here. Okay, 0 to pi, that is nothing but a minus x sine, a minus x sine, at the place of we have to write a minus x, that is pi minus x. This is a upon 1 plus cos square x is a minus x. So here at the place of a we have pi minus x. Okay, now 0 to pi minus x sine 180 minus theta is sine theta, 1 plus cos square 180 minus theta is cos square theta. Okay, now 0 to pi, multiply this with sin x, pi into sin x minus x into sin x upon same as it is. Okay, 0 to pi. Now we are giving separately denominator to both these terms, pi sin x upon this minus x sin x upon this. Okay, and give integration separately. Now we know this is our question, that is I. So at this place we can substitute I here. See, x sin x upon 1 plus cos square x is nothing but I. X sin x 1 plus cos square x dx is nothing but I. So I is equals to 0 to pi sin x 1 plus cos square x dx minus 0 to pi x sin x 1 plus cos square x dx. Okay, I is equals to this one same as it is minus this one is I. Now take this I here, it will become I plus I is equals to 0 to pi same 2I is equals to take pi here outside sin x by 1 plus cos square x. Now we have to substitute cos x as t. Okay, by substitution method we are solving this. Cos x is equals to t. Okay, now the derivative of cos x is minus sin x dx and t derivative is dt. Sin x dx is minus dt. Sin x dx is minus dt and 1 plus cos x is nothing but t. So 1 plus t square. Okay, as we are substituting here, so the limits will also change. Cos x is equals to t. So cos 0, first limit is 0. So cos 0 is equals to, cos 0 is nothing but 1. So t is equals to 1. Now cos pi by pi, only pi. Okay, cos pi, that is 180. Cos 180 is minus 1. So t is minus 1. So the limits are 1 and minus 1. Okay, limits are 1 and minus 1. 1 to minus 1. Okay, here minus dt upon 1 plus cos x is t, but here square is there, so t square. 1 by 1 plus t square is nothing but tan inverse t. Here I have not written minus, here minus is there. Okay, minus tan inverse t, but we are getting same value in both the cases. Okay, here minus 1 upon 1 we have taken, but here 1 upon minus 1. Okay, at the place of 0 we have to take 1, at the place of pi we have to take minus 1. Okay, so minus tan inverse t. Now see, we have to apply the limits now after integration. The lower limit is 1 minus tan inverse of this upper limit. So upper limit first, minus 1 minus lower limit is 1. Okay, tan inverse of minus 1 is nothing but minus pi by 4, minus into minus plus tan inverse of 1 is pi by 4. This minus and this minus becomes plus, minus into minus plus pi by 4 plus minus into minus plus pi by 4. See, pi by 4, pi by 4. This pi is already there here. Okay, so pi by 4 plus pi by 4 is nothing but 2 pi by 4. We are getting the same values. 2i is equals to pi into 2 pi by 4. Okay, 2i is equals to pi square by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are. Okay, so pi square by 2, then I is equals to pi square by. Next question, show that 0 to 1 log 1 plus x upon 1 plus x square dx is equals to pi by 8 log 2. This is very important question of definite integral. Okay, here we are taking x as tan theta. Okay, x is equals to tan theta, then dx will be secant square theta d theta. Okay, derivative of x is this, and tan theta derivative of secant square theta. Now we are taking x as tan theta, so the limits will also change. So x is 0, so 0, tan theta is equals to 0, tan theta is equals to 0, so theta will be 0. Okay, when x is equals to 1, so tan theta is equals to 1, and tan theta will be 1 if it is pi by 4. Tan 45 is 1, so tan theta is equals to tan pi by 4, so theta is equals to pi by 4. Okay, so the limits are 0 to pi by 4. Tan 0 is 0. Okay, now substituting here, 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. X square is there, so tan square theta, and d theta is nothing but dx is secant square theta d theta. We know that 1 plus tan square theta is nothing but secant square theta. This secant square theta and this secant square theta gets cancelled. So you will get 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan theta. This question will be asked in 4 marks. Okay, and this question is for 7 marks. Now let I is equal to 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan theta d theta, first equation. Okay, now again we have to use the definite integral formula, that is 0 to a f of x dx is equals to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. This is f of x, so at the place of x we have to apply a minus x. So here theta is there, so at the place of theta we have to use a is pi by 4, 0 to a. Okay, a is pi by 4 minus, at the place of x theta is there, so pi by 4 minus theta. Okay, log 1 plus, this is in the form of tan of a minus b, that is nothing but tan a minus tan b upon 1 plus tan a tan b. Okay, tan a, tan pi by 4 is 1 minus tan b tan theta upon 1 plus tan a into tan b. Tan pi by 4 is 1, 1 into tan theta is tan theta, so 1 minus tan theta upon 1 plus tan theta d theta. Okay, log, now take LCM. LCM will be 1 plus tan theta, and this 1 plus tan theta will be multiplied here, 1 plus tan theta plus 1 minus tan theta, same as it is. Now this tan theta gets cancel. You will get 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus 1 is 2 upon 1 plus tan theta d theta. Now it is in the form of log a by b, which is nothing but log a minus log b. Log 2 d theta, taking integration separately, 0 to pi by 4 log 2 d theta minus 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan theta d theta, which is nothing but our question, that is I. So at this place we are substituting I. Okay, this one same as it is. Now take this minus I here, left side. So I plus I is equals to 0 to pi by 4 log 2 d theta. I plus I is 2i is equals to log 2. Integration of d theta is theta. Integration of x dx is x, so d theta will be theta, and here limits are there, so we have to apply limits also, 0 to pi by 4. Okay, log 2, upper limit is pi by 4 minus lower limit is 0. We have to substitute these limits at this place of theta. Okay, first upper limit minus lower limit. Pi by 4 minus 0 is nothing but pi by 4. Pi by 4 into log 2. I is equals to pi by 4. This 2 will be multiplied here, pi by 8 log 2. Hence proved.